how to use Otter AI to transcribe audio. So, hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Over here right now in Otter AI, what we're going to do is we're going to locate the record button over here on the top right when you're on the home page. So, selecting this button over here should redirect us to the page where we will speak to the website. As you can see here, as I'm speaking, it's taking note of whatever I am saying. So what you're just simply going to do is just going to talk about whatever you want to be transcribed. You could even play a video in the background so that it will recognize the voice of the video, and we will be able to receive a transcription just like this one. And as you can see, it's pretty accurate. You will be able to see the different texts or the different texts. It's pretty accurate. There are some text that is not accurate like this one, but overall it looks great. And when you click on stop recording over here, you will be able to then get the text and be able to modify it however you want, fix some mistakes so that there will be no issues with the transcription. So that's basically it. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.